Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through the updated steps on how to add your university to your Facebook profile on your PC. It's a great way to connect with classmates, show off your school pride, and expand your network. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. If you're not already logged in, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture. Click on it to navigate directly to your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll notice several sections below your cover photo, including Intro, Timeline, and About. Click on the About tab to proceed. In the About section, look to the left-hand side. You'll find a list of categories. Find and click on Work and Education. This is where you'll manage your educational details. Under the Work and Education section, you'll see options to add a high school, college, or university. Click on the Add a University to add a new educational institution. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter details about your school. Start typing the name of your university, select your school, and after that, add the year you joined. You can also include additional information such as your degree, field of study, and class year. Once you've filled in all the relevant fields, click the Save button to save your updates, and that's it. Now, your university will be displayed on your Facebook profile, and visitors will be able to see your schools, degrees, and other relevant information. You can also adjust the privacy settings for your education details by clicking the audience selector, typically a globe icon next to each entry. You can choose to make this information public, visible to friends only, or customized to a specific group of people. Adding your university to your Facebook profile is a simple yet effective way to enhance your online presence and connect with others in your academic community. Whether you're a current student or an alumnus, this feature allows you to showcase your educational background and expand your network. So go ahead, update your profile, and show off your school pride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.